Okay, today we are talking about rain chains. Okay, so what is a rain chain? As its name implies, it is a chain that takes the place of your downspout. So you can see in this graphic, we have a copper rain chain and it's anchored down below to the ground with a screw-in anchor. There's a closer look at that anchor. So you screw it into the ground, and then there's a D-ring or a connecting ring that connects that eye bolt to the end of the chain. Another option is to embed the end of the chain in a concrete slab like this, and you'll note the slab is sloped away from the house. That's important, and it's surrounded by gravel or decorative river rock in this case to absorb the splash of rainwater. They also make rain chains with these little cups that come in different sizes and shapes. Some of these little cups are shaped like flowers. Again, rain chains are decorative. They originate from Japan. This one here you can see is anchored with an eye bolt to this drain box or this drain basin. Here's a better look. So the rain will come down the rain chain, go into the drain basin, and then go out this drain pipe into your yard. So you would start by removing your downspout, and if you're not comfortable on a ladder, get someone to help you. And then this one is installed with this V-clip. It's like a metal clip or bracket that you simply set inside the opening of your gutter, and the rain chain hangs there. This one, it has a copper cup with the plate on top that again just sits inside your gutter. But again, it's very important to direct that rainwater away from your house, away from the foundation to prevent water damage. So you can install one of these pop-up drain emitters at the end of the drain pipe out in your yard that'll pop up like this when it's raining, and then it'll close when the rain stops. So I'll give you a better, closer view. Try to zoom in this model. But you can see the rain chain simply hangs off of the gutter, and you want to make sure your gutter is secure to the side of your house, right? If the gutter is loose or falling off, you need to fix that first. You may need to add another gutter support bracket, mounting bracket, near the rain chain to help support the weight. You can see the copper cups, and the rainwater just flows right through all these little copper cups down the rain chain into the drain. But you never want to let the water just splash onto dirt, because you end up with a big muddy puddle. Water will splash on the side of your house. It'll flow into your foundation. You don't want that. So plan ahead, anchor your rain chain, plan for how you're going to drain it away from your house and foundation. And you can also have your rain chain drain into like a rainwater collection barrel, or into a rainwater harvesting system like this, or just install a rainwater harvesting system like this instead of a rain chain. Now, if you live in a climate that gets below freezing, a lot of snow and ice in the wintertime, a rain chain may not be appropriate for your application. So keep that in mind. But again, I just want to emphasize, anchor the bottom of the rain chain, prepare the area where the rain is going to hit the ground, make sure it doesn't hit the ground by itself. Again, you want to have a little concrete slab or some decorative river rock or gravel, and the ground needs to be sloped away from your foundation to facilitate water drainage away from your house. And these cost anywhere from $80 to a couple $100. You can make one yourself. They're made from different materials, stainless steel, brass, copper, etc. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.